How to connect Squarespace domain to Wix website. So if you purchase a domain from Squarespace and then you would like to connect it to your Wix website, it is absolutely very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Wix website right here, which is your dashboard, which will take you to manage.wix.com. Once you're here on this page, there will be a couple of options as you would be able to see. All you have to do here is to connect a domain. You can see right on the homepage it says connect domain if you want to. So you can just click on the connect domain option if you haven't already, or you can go to the setup page. There also it will ask you to connect a domain. So right where you're on this new page, it'll say you what domain do you want to connect to your particular website. So you can see many websites and domains that you can see right over here. So all you have to do is you can also connect a domain by pointing. So if you want to enter the domain, you can connect at the top of the page and we'll guide you step by step. So if you have basically purchased a certain website, then go ahead and then go ahead and but just paste that domain right here. And once done, you can just click on the let's go option right here. And as you've done that, you'll be able to follow the on-screen instructions and also copy your DNS server and other settings to be able to point out the domain from Squarespace to Wix website. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.